Are you trying to enable comments on your Instagram stories but can't find the option? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Instagram story comment option not showing, step by step. Let's get started. First, we need to make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Instagram and check if there's an update available. If you see the update button, tap it and wait for the installation to complete. Once Instagram is updated, open the app and go to your profile page by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and tap them to open the menu. From here, scroll down and select Comments. In the comment settings, you should see a section called Who Can Comment. This is where the story comments option should appear. If you see it, you can choose between people you follow or everyone to enable comments on your stories. But what if you don't see this option at all? If the story comments section isn't showing up, there's another fix we can try. Go back to your phone settings, select General, then iPhone Storage. Find Instagram in the list of apps and tap on it. Here, you'll see the option to offload app. Tap this, then confirm. After it's offloaded, tap to reinstall Instagram. This fresh install might make the story comments option appear. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you solve your Instagram story comments issue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech guides.